Hello, friend! Looking for the right symbols in LessonPix? There are many ways to find them. Under the Clip Art tab, you can find LessonPix symbols organized in categories. You can browse through the folders. When browsing or searching, you can filter by image type, color, stencil, or outline styles. In the menu bar, you will see a search box to search LessonPix for what you need. This shows on all of the main pages. The drop-down defaults to all. You can change this to search for only images, only materials in the Sharing Center, or articles on a topic. Let's leave it set to all and search for brush teeth. Because it was set to all, we can find symbols, shared materials, and articles. We can see more images by clicking on See All Matching Images. Folders related to the search show first and then all related images. Private images also show in the results with a flag in the corner. Find your symbol and add it to the tray to use in a material. Another way to search for the right image is under the Sound Finder and Other Tools tab. Here you can see other ways to search. The Sound Finder is a unique tool to search by the sounds in a word, perfect for articulation and phonological awareness activities. To search in the Sound Finder, you must start by giving it a word that contains the sounds you need. If I need sh, in the middle of words, I can write the word ship. The system will return the sounds in the word using an international phonetic alphabet. Sh, I, p. I choose the sh sound, select the placement as middle, and remove any blends such as SHR. Results show symbols that contain the sh sound regardless of how it's spelled. Filter by syllables and by consonant vowel patterns. I can also filter by image type. However, if I want that sh word spelled with SH, I can click on the Letter Finder tab. This tool searches for the letters in the placement you select. Type SH and choose middle. The Pattern Finder lets you search for consonant vowel sound patterns, similar to the filter on the left. Keep in mind, choosing a consonant vowel consonant will yield too many results. This tool works well for unusual patterns such as CCCC or CVVV. The Rhymes With tab finds words that differ in the beginning sound. The Minimal Pairs tool searches for words that differ by one sound. Like the Sound Finder, you must give it a sample minimal pair so the system can use the phonetic library to find your results. Let's try sheep and ship. The keyword search is the same as the search tool on the top menu bar when it is set to images. The final purple tab is a part of the LessonPix Literacy Toolbox. Here you can search for symbols aligned with lessons within a systematic phonics curriculum. Let's search for the UFly lesson number 45. SH spells sh. Now, if you want to search for ready-made materials, change the drop-down box to Materials. Or go to the Sharing Center tab at the top and then search. You can also search for materials you created. Go to the Your LessonPix tab and then to Your Materials. Here you can see all of the materials you have ever created. You can browse and even filter by template. On the tab to the right, you can search for your own materials. Woo! There are many ways to help you find exactly what you need. Hope this helps and have fun!